So we knew we wanted a family immediately, and as it came time proposing and then planning a wedding, we wanted to prioritize a family, and we'd figure out the wedding. That's how we ended up with the 3-year engagement.
My first job out of college, I got an assignment to go to Carnival Cruise Lines. And while I was down there, I met Jack.
Through separate adventures in California, Minneapolis, Miami, and Austin, a friendship blossomed over text, phone calls, and sharing about their adventures.
In every relationship, there are drivers and passengers. And I kind of look at Emily, and I think she's very clearly a driver. I think she knows exactly where she wants to go.
It was that famous year of 2020 when we knew it, came to a screeching halt.
Emily might say she thought anywhere sounded nicer than Minneapolis in winter.
So she packed a bag, she grabbed her work equipment, and she rented an Airbnb in Austin.
Texted Jack and asked him if he wanted to have coffee with me, and we spent every day together.
Emily returned home briefly to spend Christmas with my family. And we say, "Tell us." And she says, "Oh my God, Laura, he is so my type."
After 6 more months, Jack asked Emily's parents for permission to propose to her. So in September 2021, on a trip to Greece, Jack proposed to Emily on a boat off the coast of Hania, Crete. And after 2 painful years of miscarriages and heartache, they were blessed with the arrival of baby Owen, the new love of their lives.
Today you are the most fabulous mom to my youngest grandson, and you found this amazing guy to share your life with.
You're beautiful. You look beautiful.
Emily and Jack also want to thank all of you for your presence here today, and now ask for your blessing and lifelong support.
Emily, I vow to keep loving you more and more each day, to always respect you and your dreams for the future, and to support you in pursuing everything that brings you joy.
I promise to be your partner in adventure, to explore the world hand in hand, and to embrace every twist and turn with laughter, courage, and respect.
And now, it's my privilege to tell Emily she's got just as much right to kiss the groom as you, Jack, have to kiss the bride.
It truly is a gift to have that special person that loves and supports you unconditionally by your side and in your corner for the rest of your life.